What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. It's February 24th. It's a Friday. And we are on our way to the hill country. It's 4 in the morning. Oh, young blood over there getting some fuel. And we're waiting on Joel. So Joel and his wife is coming as well. And we're all gonna head out to the hill country, man. We're headed to Leakey, Texas first. And then we're gonna hang out there, ride the Three Sisters. Be riding all weekend, man. So it's gonna be good stuff. First trip back to the hill country in a long time. A little pissed though, because this morning, man, we were on our way here. Probably spent about 3 hours cleaning this bike. And on the way here, man, it was raining. So she still looks good. She still looks good. So anyway, I got the wife with me too, but she's inside right now. So probably not gonna record any of the highway stuff on the way there, but when we get there, we'll bring it back. Or another gas stop, we'll stop, talk to everybody, see what's up. Let's go. Oh, what's happening, Kim folk? We are out here. We stopped at a little picnic area, but it's freezing. Eh? Frozen. It's frozen.
How he feeling?
And Drake's over there trying to fly his drone, but it's cold and it's beeping. But man, look at the bikes. Look at the bikes. The bikes are looking good. And then this view is amazing. We are headed to Leakey. We are going to Bent Rim Grill. So that's where we're headed, man. I'll pick y'all back up when we get there because it's freezing. We'll see you in a little bit. Been a long morning, long ride. It's actually rained on us a couple times. I don't think it's got over 56 degrees, so it is cold, man. But from the house till here, we have ran 323 miles. I think we're gonna end up changing the plans. I thought we were gonna ride the Three Sisters today, but we might do that tomorrow because it's supposed to be a little bit warmer tomorrow. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna have some burgers, hang out, warm up, and then we'll get back with you in a minute. See. Hey. So what? Damn, your face was closed as shit. Your face was closed as hell. Hey man, what burger did you get?
I couldn't find my motorcycle, so I got the Fat Bob.
Fat Bob. Let's check it out. Let me see.
Jalapeno.
Ooh, dang. And the onion rings. Hell yeah. And he bought him that gum shirt already.
Because of titties.
Which one did you get, bro?
With the Indian chief.
Even Indian chief. What did you get?
I'm gonna stand by my man.
Oh, same thing? Ooh. All right. And then, oh, shit. I ended up getting Ultra Classic Texas toothpicks, which is like fried jalapenos, I guess. You want to try them, bro? What y'all think? They good? Hell yeah, man. And then baby got the Road King. All right, so we're about to rub it down, and then I'll show y'all Joel's and his wife's whenever that comes out, and we're gonna get after it. Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. See ya.
There you go.
Oh,
Hey, why does that look bigger than
Because it's a shift.
This is their first time here. We've been here before, so we're gonna see what they think.
I see her soul coming out.
Yeah. And Drake's first time here too, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it good? Huh? It's alright. Man, he ate that shit faster than anybody else around.
I didn't even say the blessing.
We didn't even say a blessing, man. Alright, so we're gonna get after it, man. I'm glad they like it, and we're gonna continue the day, so we'll see you in a little bit. Good morning, kinfolk. Today is Saturday. Got the bike all covered up, man. We stayed at this one little place in here in Fredericksburg. Days in here in Fredericksburg, man. Not gonna lie to you, yesterday was rough because we did not plan for this cold weather and we got screwed. Hey? Yeah.
I want to go home.
So, but this morning what we're gonna do, like what's the temperature right now? It was 50 this morning. I got up at like 5:30. Right now.
Actually, 44 degrees.
40, what?
44 degrees right now.
Holy shit, 44 degrees. So this morning what we're doing, maybe it wasn't 50, maybe that was last night. So this morning we plan on doing is Ubering to Walmart. I hate saying that shit, but and get some fucking warm clothes, man, because like I said, yesterday was rough. It was hard. But we rode. We rode 12 hours we rode, man. Not sure exactly what the plan is today. Gonna leave that up to Joel and Tamika and Drake because we've already been out this way. They've never been out here, so whatever they want to do, man, is what we're gonna do. We didn't get to ride the Three Sisters yesterday. We rode part of 337, but not all of it, or not the whole Three Sisters, so I don't know if they're gonna want to do that today because that's another hour and a half back to where we just came from. Or just ride around here in Fredericksburg, maybe head down towards Bandera or Medina. We'll find out. We'll talk with them, see what they want to do, and then we'll let y'all know what the decision is. But for now, we're gonna drink some coffee, eat some breakfast, and then go to Walmart. See you. What's happening, kinfolk? Today, we are in Leakey again. Yesterday, we ended up coming out to Leakey from Houston. Ended up coming to the Bent Rim Grill and ate here. But we didn't get to ride all the sisters because of how late it got. So today we are headed back out here and we are going to ride the Three Sisters. So Joel and Tamika and Drake, young blood, can ride the Three Sisters. So it is 3:30 already. So hopefully we can make it around the whole loop and back in time before it starts getting dark so we can find a hotel to stay at because we don't know where we're staying. But yeah, man, it's been a good time. It's been awesome, man, hanging out with the young blood, Joel and Tamika. It's been awesome, man. We've had such a great time. All right, so let's go ahead. We're just gonna head out, man. I'm gonna record just the ride, so y'all hang on, check it out. Let's go. So if you've never ridden the Three Sisters, man, it's supposedly a 100-mile loop. So you go 337 to 55, I believe, and then you take a right, and you go to 335. Run that all the way to 41, take a right, and then come back down 337, which is what we're on now. So let's get it. right here, huh? The sisters are good, huh?
Oh yeah,
Fucking dope, dude.
this is awesome.
It's a big old buck. Oh, kinfolk, we are here on 336, the last loop or the last road for the Twisted Sisters. So what we're gonna do, man, is we're gonna celebrate with a little celebratory drink. And hey, I just want to say thanks, man, to everybody that came out this weekend. And it's been an amazing weekend. We're gonna go ahead and cheers to each other. And I just want to say to Joel, Youngblood, and Miss Tamika that, and my baby, of course, but thank y'all so much for coming, man. We've had a blast. We appreciate it.
It's been awesome.
Such good times, good friends, and we're about to have some good beer. So let's go ahead and get after it, man. So hey, till next time.
Cheers.
Till next adventure.
Cheers.
Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya!